Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new fryers. It's going to be a 40-pound natural gas fryer that we're looking at here. Now, brand on this unit's our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements so you have an idea what this unit measures. We'll start off with the length here. For the length, you're looking at 15.5 inches. Height on the wheels, you're looking at a total of 5 inches. Okay, so the wheels are installed and provided for this gas fryer. Okay, front to back measurements. Total of 30 inches. Overall height for this fryer, 45 inches high. Okay, so those are your overall measurements for this gas fryer. Also, on the back, you have your connection for the gas. Okay, so gas entry is located on the back. Now, let's go back to the front of this fryer. I'm also going to measure these baskets for you. Okay, measurement for the baskets, 6.5 inches. Front to back, 13 inches. Bottom to top, 6 inches. Okay, you will be provided with 2 baskets for this fryer. Okay, back to the front. We're gonna go ahead and open up the front for you. On the inside, you can locate a plaque here with all the information regarding this fryer. You will locate model, BTUs per hour, certifications. Okay, so that will all be located on the inside. Also on the inside, we have our burners. We have 3 burners for this fryer. We also have our oil drain on the front, and on the very bottom, we have our temperature adjuster for this oil for this fryer. Okay, so that's going to be a demonstration for this 40-pound natural gas fryer. It is certified, approved by health department. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact fryer. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.